Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to use Jasper AI, and basically what it does, this AI is pretty much huge, especially for the article writers or bloggers. So basically this AI is actually going to create you articles and bunch of stuff to improve your marketing, CEO and SEO and so much more stuff guys. And it is actually going insane those days, and yeah, let's give it a try now. So first of all, if you want to get it, you just have to open your browser and then go ahead and search for Jasper AI just like so, and then click on the first website. As you can see now, this is the official website or the main website, and these are like the sponsors of it. So they have like huge sponsors like Airbnb, IBM, digital marketer, and so much more. Now if you went down a little bit, you will find that this actually works on Google account, Amazon, Gmail, WordPress, Facebook, YouTube, and Shopify. If you went even down, you will find that the specific things that they will help you with. For example, for Google, create original content that ranks for SEO. Generate educational blogs, articles that are keyword rich and plagiarism free. Here for Facebook, boost ad conversions with better copy. Easily write and test more copy variation to increase sales and improve rows. Finish your first draft 10 times more faster. Tell Jasper about what you want and then watch the AI write paragraphs in seconds. And writer's block with ideas from a robot. Starting up to blank page. Relax and let Jasper write creative copy for you. And here break through the language barrier, so no matter which language you give it, it will write you in whatever language you give it. And scale up your content marketing fast, or propose existing content and generate new content without hiring junior writers. Now for you to be able to start using it, what you'll have to do is simply go in here and claim your 10k words free. So after that, you just have to click here to sign up, put your username, email, etc. Or just click on here to continue with Google. For example, let's continue with Google. So let me just put my account real quick. So here we go. And something like that. And I think that will work for us. So here we go. And voila. So now all I need to do is wait until it's fully signed up. So company name, let me just do something like that. Blog post next, and I'm not a robot. Now let's wait a little bit, and here we go. So now you have two options. The 82 bucks, which is like pretty decent for like a 100k word generated, or you can go for like whatever, like 10 million words or whatever things you'd like to do per month. And yeah, guys, it is pretty much like expensive, but for like a high quality blogs and etc., it is really worth the shot. So if you want to make it annually or monthly, you can change it from here. And then if you have like a contact sales that you want to actually do, you can try it from here. And here you will find other information. So if you want to start your free trial, just click here and then put your some information like your card, etc. And after 2 days, you will be having you will have you'll have your card charged for like this amount of money that you'll have here. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.